Hello everybody and welcome back to Digital Point. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on profile views for TikTok. Now this is a relatively new feature and there are a few different ways to go about it. I have to do it one way because the inbox way that I will kind of touch on briefly hasn't really worked out. So what you are going to do, ideally in your inbox, because it is a newer feature, you'll have a little icon under messages where it says profile views. You'll click on it, you'll allow it, and then it'll redirect you to a page where you can see who has actually viewed your profile. The way that I had to do it is if you go to your profile and go to the very top of the screen where you see the three lines, you'll click on that, and then you'll go to settings and privacy. Once there, you'll hit privacy again, the second from the top. Scroll down where you see profile views at the very bottom. I have it on. We'll go ahead and turn it off though real quick. Profile views, again, that's the second one from the bottom. Hit on. And then this allows you to see who has viewed your profile. With turning this option on, this also allows other accounts that have the setting turned on to see that you have viewed their profile. So it's a two-way street here. Then that is really it. It's on, obviously, because I have just created an account. I have no views. I have viewed no accounts. No accounts have viewed this one. So it's a very, very quick and easy thing to turn on and off if you so choose to. Is this a feature that you already knew about on TikTok, or is this something that you have just discovered? If that is the case, hopefully you found this video informative. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial, and as always, we will see you in the next video.